Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Assistive Touch not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off and on Assistive Touch. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Accessibility. On the Accessibility page, scroll down, tap on Touch, tap Assistive Touch, turn off Assistive Touch, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 2. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Reset Assistive Touch. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down, tap on Touch, tap Assistive Touch, tap on Customize top level menu. Now tap on Reset. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 5. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.